Hi everyone, I just wanted to preface this video by saying that you're about to see a double unboxing of two Fendi items, the second of which I had never seen before in person. It's fair to say that my reaction is maybe not what you'd expect from somebody unboxing something that they really wanted and really loved. Because I hadn't seen it before, it wasn't quite what I was expecting. But I still thought it was worth showing you the footage of the unboxing, and then I'll give you an update at the end of the video as to what I decided to do. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that's your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I upload a new video. And I'd love for you to be able to follow me on Instagram as well, and I promise at some point I will start putting more and more stuff up on Instagram. So today's video, it's a double Fendi unboxing. I have two items from Fendi. I think Fendi is seriously draining our bank accounts at the moment. They just have some great stuff, and I know there's quite a few YouTubers going a bit crazy about Fendi, but yeah, I am guilty. I am one of them, also going crazy about Fendi. So the first item I have is here. This has already been opened because it arrived the other day and I needed to check them, as I said. And I just really also wanted to show you the inside of this box though. Whoa, look at that. That's from 24S, which is where I ordered these. And let's take that out, and then we have a Fendi shoe box. So yes, it's Fendi shoes. Now I showed you my Calibri lights recently in the gold, and I said to you that I had my eye on other Fendi shoes, so this is no surprise that I got these. Here we go, we've got the dust bags, got all the care information, and then we have the usual mountain of tissue. And Fendi shoes come so well wrapped and in their own little plastic bags, and you can probably see through the plastic. Here we go. We have another pair of Calibris. Let's take the tissue out there so you can see. These are the classic Calibris in the mesh brown, the strap that's got the kind of cream and red across it. And I got them this time, if you can see, in the shorter heel, about 5 centimetre heel, the kitten heel. Let's get the other one out for you as well. I really debated which heel size to go for, and ultimately it came down to the fact that the Calibris in the slightly higher heel, in the 8 or 8.5 centimetre heel, were just that little bit high, and I want to wear these regularly. I want to be able to wear these a lot, and I just felt that that heel height was just a tiny bit high for everyday use. This is a little bit more easy to walk in, easy to wear every day for long periods of time, because I love these shoes. I absolutely love them. I want to wear them. My gold ones I did get in the higher heel. They are more of an occasion shoe. I'm not going to be trotting down to the supermarket in my gold Calibri shoes with the 8 centimetre heel and in all their glory, but these shoes with this heel height I am more likely to wear every day. I tried them on, they fit perfectly. I've got my size, my usual size, 39.5. And yeah, I've tried them on with lots of dresses and different outfits, and they go with so much in my wardrobe. I have lots of neutrals, but when I have colour, I have lots of colour mixed with neutrals. I have lots of patterns that just seem to work well with these shoes. The only part of my wardrobe really that didn't is where I've got a few summer dresses that are very pinky or kind of brighter blues, and they didn't work so well, but nearly everything else worked. Red, greens, oranges, say all the neutrals, everything else worked. So I'm really pleased with these. Yeah, and I know that I'm going to get, you know, regular everyday use out of these, so to me it made sense to get the slightly lower heel. Not discounting the higher heel. I mean, they do the higher heel in, again, other designs, very similar. They do a kind of all black version, which I really like as well. I'm just in love with those shoes because they are so comfortable. They look so cool, and they just look so good with everything that you put them with. So yeah, my Calibri shoes. So got those from 24S. Now this one, this arrived today. This is a true unboxing. I haven't opened it. And yeah, this is direct from Fendi. So let's get into it. Rip that open. Yep, and it just opens up. Okay, that was the receipt that fell on the floor. And let's take this out. Here we go. And you can see it is a bag box. It is a Fendi bag. This is my first Fendi bag. Not a Fendi first, a first Fendi bag for me. Now, I did want to get a Fendi baguette, and I am saving for a Fendi baguette. I still haven't decided whether to go for the sort of larger regular size or the mini. I like both, and I'm still undecided on patterns and colours, etc. However, I mentioned this bag in my bags I was obsessing about, and I said this might actually be the first Fendi bag I buy, my next buy, because I just really liked it and I felt it would be suitable for upcoming summer months. So there we go, it's in its dust bag. So let's take it out. Oh, it's very light, so it has Fendi tag there, and there we go, we have the Fendi plastic basket bag. Now, I did deliberate over this because I was like, it's a plastic bag, am I overpaying for this? I don't know, I need to have a really good look at it and see. So yeah, it kind of, I don't know, so yeah, you can see on the front there, you have the Fendi logo. That's what kind of did it for me, was this contrast, because I said before I was kind of worried about this looking like a bag from my childhood, like the old jelly bags. But for some reason, when I saw it in this black with the contrasting kind of tan logo there, it just kind of looked more elegant to me, better. I don't know what it was. It looks more like a bag I could get on board with. So let's see if I can take the stuffing out. There we go. It is the card here that says Fendi basket, small recycled plastic. Yeah, so recycled plastic. It is completely see-through. It's got these holes here, which I know you can put a strap through, one of the Fendi strap U's, as they're called. I haven't got one of those. I have been looking. They're quite expensive. They're actually more money than the bag itself. But I do know they do them at Bista, slightly cheaper. Thank you, Gwenny, because she got hers from Bista. So next time I go to Bista, I might have a look there, but I'm in no rush to get a proper Fendi strap. I would like to get one eventually, but I've got a few straps that will work. I've seen a couple of nice guitar straps on Amazon as well, which I might go for too. So I could actually put a strap on the bag and I can wear it on my shoulder or crossbody, but at the moment, without the strap, it's just a little top handle bag. Again, I'm not usually a solely top handle person, so that's why I will eventually want to get a strap. So there we go, it's got Fendi on the bottom there. The only person on YouTube I've seen unbox one of these is Dayle from Dayle's Addiction, and I did send Dayle a couple of messages about it, so thanks Dayle for your thoughts on this bag. I don't know, I just think it's a really fun bag, and you know, again, I'm going away soon. I can just see that it's the sort of bag I would take away with me. I was thinking maybe I might get some sort of liner for it, but it's got to be something that looks cool with the bag. I was worried initially that if I put things in it they might fall out, but actually looking at it, the holes are quite small. I've got a lippy here, that doesn't go through the holes, so you can definitely put a lippy in it without it falling out. So I think you can get away with putting quite a bit in there. Yeah, so I need to spend a bit of time now having a proper look at it, popping some things in, seeing what I think. But yeah, I'm really pleased I got it. I know my husband's probably going to think I'm absolutely mad, and I still think maybe I'm a bit mad for buying a designer plastic bag. But price-wise, you can find it on the Fendi website. As designer bags go, it is not extortionate. I mean, it's still a lot of money, but you know, in the realm of designer bag world, it's one of the cheaper bags. So yeah, so there we go, my Fendi basket bag and my Fendi Calibri heels. Hi, Editing Claire, or Claire of the Future here. When I edited that video back, I could tell that I wasn't quite sure about that bag, and it just wasn't doing it for me. Now, I want my first Fendi bag experience to be amazing, and I want to be 100% certain, and I wasn't with that bag. I couldn't get it out of my head that it just was like a bag I had when I was younger, and I felt that I was too old for the bag. Now, I'm very much of the opinion that you should be able to rock any bag, no matter what age you are. But you have to feel confident doing that, you have to feel comfortable, it suits your style, and you have to feel that you are rocking it. And I just felt that I wasn't with that particular bag. Now, I've seen other people with the bag. I first saw it on Dayle from Dayle's Addiction, and she completely rocks the bag. She looks amazing, but she makes the bag look good, and it works for her. But I just felt it didn't work for me. So I decided to return it, got my money back, and we'll put the money maybe towards the right Fendi bag for me. I did keep the Calibris because I absolutely love them. I filmed the video, the unboxing, a couple of months ago, and I've been wearing them ever since. They are so comfortable, and they are by far my favourite shoes. So I absolutely want more Calibris in that heel height. But as far as the bag goes, that had to go back. I still wanted to upload the unboxing so you could see my genuine reaction, and you know, and we have to be honest, sometimes we think we're going to love a bag, but when it arrives it doesn't quite work, and that occasionally happens. So I, within a couple of days, returned it. So there you go, hope that all makes sense to you, and back to Claire of the past to finish the video. Okay everyone, thank you ever so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.